Hello, everybody. Welcome back to The Honest Budget. I'm your honest budgeter, and I've got to be honest, guys. I still am not getting that much cash. However, I did go get my nails done today, so I decided last minute that I was going to pull from the Me Stuff envelope. So I have a little bonus of $50 that I will be stuffing today. So let's see what I can make happen. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button because over here on this channel, we're learning, we're growing, we are building new habits, and we are improving upon old ones. So you want to be a part of that. Make sure that you're also sticking along to the end of the video for my weekly financial tip. All right, so let's get into what my budget and paycheck and all that fun stuff is this week. So we did pretty good this last week. So my paycheck was $1,767.23. As I said, I only had about 40 in cash, but I was able to get that extra 50. So we're actually going to be stuffing $90 today, but I just obviously didn't include that. So with all of that, it's $1,857.23 that we'll be dealing with. No debt to deal with this week, thank goodness. And then for recurring bills, I did kind of up everything. So I wanted to cash stuff my entire paycheck just to make sure that everything was taken care of, considering that I will be taking a week off at the end of the month. So I just wanted some peace of mind, despite having that month ahead envelope that I do have already. I just want to make sure that everything's taken care of with my pay that I already have, because I do want to only use those other little sinking funds / emergency funds in the event of an emergency, not really if I'm just going to be going out of town. Typically, I might also use something from my travel fund for that, but at the moment, that is looking a little bit bleak. And I'm also saving up for a big trip to go to Europe, so I just didn't want to pull from that fund. So we're just kind of going to work with what I have with my income. So let's get into what I've got for the cash stuffing envelopes. So Aspen's envelope is not getting some love because he is getting a weekly transfer from my paycheck. So we're adding $10 into health. I'm not counting that one out today. We'll count it out someday soon, but that day's not today. Don't really feel like it. Plus it's a lot of ones. So I do have to do it soon, but it's just not on my agenda. So next binder. That was really aggressive, me just slamming that down. Since I have that extra money, I'm going to put $20 into emergency fund. And then I'm not sure I'm going to stuff month ahead this time. Let's just see what I have just to make sure that I have a good enough cushion for this month, just in case. So I have 100, 200, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80. So $380, that's a good enough cushion in case I want to pull from that. But let's hope that I don't have to. Car is supposed to get $20, but I have that extra 10, so it's actually going to get $30 today. So adding that in, let's see what I've got. We have 50, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 250. That's super nice because I actually will probably need to use this cash here because my skid plate, excuse me, my voice just cracked there. My skid plate is falling off of my car. So I need to get that taken care of. And that is kind of a safety concern. So I'll probably do that once I get back from my trip. So I have $10 in fives that we're adding to travel. I'm not going to count that one out right now just because it is a lot of fives. I think we're in like the 300-ish range there. So not doing too shabby. Maybe it's actually not that much looking at it now. They're not in the 200, excuse me. I think I'm probably more in like the 150-ish, 200 range. I definitely don't think I'm at 300. Not yet at least, but soon enough. And then let's see. I wasn't going to stuff the extras today, but let's see. Oh, I could take out from restaurants too if I wanted. Let's see. Actually, why don't we just go ahead and do that? So I'm just going to do a little bit of a bonus for a lot of things today, I guess. So we're going to take out of here. And then let's go back and let's add to Let's add to emergency fund. So we're actually going to put 40 into emergency fund today. And then let's add, why don't we add to car? Let's do that because like I said, I'm going to have that fix coming up soon. So we'll just go ahead and add that $60 and then that puts me a little bit more ahead. So I'm not going to be mad at that. Perfect. All right, so we were able to make a little extra magic happen today, so I'm really happy about that. But as promised, let's get into that financial tip. Okay, so today we are talking about rewards programs. Now, this is something that I've kind of touched on before, but we're going to go into a little bit more detail on it today. So what do I mean when I'm talking about rewards programs? So sometimes there's specific stores or specific companies, something that offers a rewards point system that gives you either dollars or points that you can redeem for purchases, things like that. But regardless, when you're spending money, you're going to be getting something back when you sign up for these rewards programs. Now, these are just some examples of rewards programs that I've personally seen or signed up for, but there might be a lot more out there. But it's really cool because there's certain things like gas rewards. So there's certain things that you're spending money on every single day, every single week. So gas rewards, grocery rewards, those are some things that are definitely helpful because then you're saving a little bit of money, or maybe you're getting a little bit of extra product every time you go to the grocery store, or you're saving some money on your gas every time you fill up. So that's always super nice. It's just little ways that help you save money. Same thing with retail stores. So things like Ulta, the Vitamin Shop. Those are examples of rewards programs that I've seen. So whenever I go buy my vitamins, I can get some things for free or get a certain percentage off, something like that. So that really helps. Same with car maintenance. I've actually seen that. I have a Ford and I just signed up for a rewards program with them. So basically, I think the guy, when I was signing up, he said that somebody got a free set of tires through the rewards program. So that's something that can be really, really helpful, especially if, let's say you need a brand new set of tires and you're going to go into debt to purchase them. Maybe you don't have to if you have this rewards program. So that is something really, really helpful. And we've always talked about credit card rewards. So that's just something I at least wanted to include there because, again, it's something that helps you save money here and there. And then receipt rewards. So what I mean by that is there's certain apps out there that if you just scan your receipts for any sort of purchase, it gives you points, regardless of whether it's just a couple points or it's a few thousand points. A little bit makes a difference, and you can redeem those for gift cards, or I think you can even get like a cash kind of gift card. So there's definitely options out there for you. If you're looking for little ways to save money, look into rewards programs where you shop because it's super helpful. You could save a couple $100s a month, which is super helpful in the grand scheme of things. So yeah, I hope that that was maybe something that you didn't know. If you have questions on that, let me know. Also, I have a rewards program app that I use that has a referral code. So I'll link it up on the screen. It's called Fetch. It's a great receipt scanner app. I use it all of the time. I've gotten a few gift cards and I was able to buy a brand new pair of Nike shoes with that. So if you want to go ahead and use that code, you can start you can start using your receipts and start getting points. And then I also get points once you use that code too. So I'll link it up on the screen, but it's also in the description. But anyways, thank you for sticking around. If you've made it this far, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all of the things. You know the drill. But I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. And I will see you next time. Bye.